Hey guys, so for the homework, for number 4 and 5, sorry, so this is the explanation, okay? Oh my goodness. All right, so for number 4, so first they ask you to differentiate, so we need to differentiate that one. So y equals to x plus 2 divided by 3x plus 4 to the power of half, yeah? So you need to use quotient rule for this. So dy dx equals 2. You differentiate the top first. You get 1. Then this one remain the same. And then minus. This one remain the same. And I differentiate the other one. Half 3x plus 4 to the power of negative half times 3. You differentiate this one. Alright. Then divided by the whole thing. 3x plus 4 to the power of half, you square it. Okay? So now we need to simplify because you see at the end of the day I need to find this. Alright, so I'll try my best to change whatever I have currently into something look like this so that we can manipulate them. Alright, so therefore let me rewrite this as square root 3x plus 4 and then simplify this guy minus 3x plus 2 divided by 2 square root 3x plus 4. Okay? And after that, divided by square root, no longer have square root, sorry. 3x plus 4. Alright, so this one you see only have like the numerator there is a single one. So we try to combine them. So this is over 1. So let's make denominator the same. You times 2, 3x plus 4, square root 3x plus 4. And therefore, you get 2 times 3x plus 4 over, I'm going to multiply this and expand them, negative 3x minus 6. Okay, so here I have the same denominator already. Okay, so expand set A times set A, I get A, and then I expand them, yep, divided by 3x plus 4. So let's make it short. I'm just going to multiply this, okay? 2 times 3x is 6x, so 6x minus 3x is another 3x. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 minus negative 6. I should get, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay. Last part. How do we divide a fraction? We multiply the reciprocal. So therefore, dy dx, the differentiation of it will be 3x plus 2 over 2 square root 3x plus 4 multiply with 1 over 3x plus 4. Okay, now take a look at this as, 2a to the power of half, this one, and then times a. See, the same base, so therefore I add the base. Are you okay? So 2 squared 3x plus 4 is actually 2 a to the power of half times a to the power of 1. Okay, I have same base, so I add the power. Okay, with that, we are done. 3x plus 2 over 2 3x plus 4 to the power of 3 over 2, in which we can convert it to radical form because they want it in that radical form. 3x plus 2 over 2 square root of the cubic of 3x plus 4. Okay? So you need to use quotient rule and then simplify it so that we're gonna have something that look similar to that one. Okay? So now, if differentiation of this will give me this, therefore if I want to go back, reverse it, so I have to integrate, right? So meaning integration of 3x plus 2 over 2 square root of 3x plus 4 cube. Yep, integration of this should give me the result of this one, the original one. Okay, so if I differentiate, okay, I think the arrow is misleading. Okay, differentiation of this guy. Okay, differentiation. Oh my goodness, sorry. Don't use that color. Okay, so different. If I ask you to differentiate this, I get this one, right? So meaning the other way around. So if I integrate this, I'm gonna get back that one. Okay, so meaning integration of this one shall give me the original 3x plus 4. Okay, square root 3x plus 4. Yep, the original one. Okay, so they want 0 to 4, definite integral. So I just put in 0 to 4. Okay, now it's our job to manipulate. The question wants 6x plus 4, you see, but we have this guy, 3x plus 2 over 2. We don't want this one, isn't it? So what should I do so that I'm going to get this one? Okay, so I just need to times 4 actually, because you see, if I multiply with 4, okay, if I multiply 4 on the left, multiply 4 on the right, because this is a constant, I can factor it in. 4 times 3x plus 2 over 2 square root cubic of 3x plus 4. Okay, so you multiply with 4. So first of all, I'm going to get rid of that 2. So I'm left with 2. And when I expand the 2 inside, I'm going to get the same thing, 6x plus 4. 6x plus 4 over square root cube of 3x plus 4 cube. Okay, so now lastly, we just need to sub it in and we're done. So 4 plus 2 square root of 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 minus 2 over square root of 4. Okay, so therefore the answer would be, so this will be 8 divided by 4 minus 2 over 2. So 4 multiplied with 8 divided by 4 is 2 minus 1. So answer is 4 square unit. Oh my goodness, 8, 4 plus 2 is 6. Forgive your teacher. She is so tired. Okay, so here is 1.5 minus 1, 0.5 times 2, so I shall get 2. Alright, so this is number 4. Okay, so basically the difficult part is actually the simplification, because I believe all of you now know how to do quotient rule. Okay, and then after that manipulate them, you multiply by 4, and that's it. Let's moving on with number 5. So number 5 is shorter, I believe. It's not as much manipulation. See, show that the differentiation of x cosine x, I get that. Okay, so let's differentiate x cosine x then. So y is x over cosine x. So differentiation of this guy is differentiate the top first. I get 1. Cosine x remain the same. Minus this one remain the same. Differentiation of cosine is negative sine x over cosine square x. Alright, so therefore I get cosine x plus x sine x over cosine square x. So shown. Okay, so now they ask you to integrate this. So meaning you see differentiation of this will give me this. So therefore the integration of this shall give me the original. Okay, so therefore the integration of, okay, let me just do it here. So therefore the integration of cosine x plus x sine x over cosine square x dx shall give me x cosine x over cosine x. Okay, so let's apply the upper and lower limit. So this is 0, this is pi over 4, pi over 4, 0 here. Okay, however, our questions, the only difference is this, so we just need to manipulate them. So I just need to multiply 1 over 5 on the left. Therefore, I did that on the right too. Okay, this doesn't really affect the integration because this is just a constant. Okay, so therefore, I put them in so that it looks the same. See, we get what the question wants already, and that's it. You can choose to multiply in or multiply in later. I'm just going to do it later. So we sub in, so pi over 4 over cosine pi over 4 minus 0 over cosine 0. Okay, pi over 4. Pi over 4 is 45 degree, so cosine 45 degrees is one of our special angle, half sec 2. If you forget, you can just press your calculator. Okay, 0 divided by anything, I get 0 anyway. So how do we divide a fraction? We multiply the reciprocal. Okay, the half sec 2, to make it easier for the next step, I'm just going to write this as sub 2 over 2, yeah. So pi over 4 multiplied with 2 sub 2. Okay, so therefore I get 1 over 5 multiplied with pi over 2 sub 2. Okay, so I divide 2 and I divide 2. Okay, so pi over 2 sub 2. So therefore I get pi over 10 sub 2. So it's always a good practice to always rationalize the denominator. So I'm going to multiply sub 2 and sub 2 here. Okay, sub 2 divided by sub 2 is 1, so it doesn't affect the question or the statement. So therefore I have pi sub 2 over sub 2 times sub 2 is 2, so 2 times 10, 20. And we're done. Okay, so that's the discussion for your homework. If you still have any question, you can let me know, okay, in our group chat. Thank you. Bye bye.